Hi subscribers, we are so happy that you are with us today. Right now we will talk about the Snapchat app and I will show you how to create very popular black text streaks on the Snapchat stories. So let's go to watching. The first step is to open our Snapchat app, and when we are on the default camera screen, as an example I want to use my image from the gallery as the background of my story. So I will tap on this icon and go to the camera roll section. I will tap on this image to set it as the background. And to create this very popular black streak, I need to tap on this text feature. And guys, you have a lot of different fonts options here. Okay, but to create such a cool black streak, you need to tap on this definitely Arial option, which is the first one. And I will set some words as an example, my text. So I will tap on laugh and set the white heart. Okay guys, but if you want to set this text on the center of your screen, you just do nothing because it's the default settings and this text will be on the center. You can also drag this selector to the right or left side to choose another color. I want to set this one. So guys, it's a very convenient option. To save these changes you just need to pick on the free space, but I want also to format my text. I need to hold on my text if I have an iPhone, and if you have an iPhone you can format it after tapping on this format feature. So I can make it bold, italic, it's the font style, or underline, I will repeat, sorry. So I, for example, want to underline my text. Okay, so as I said before, we need to tap on the free space. Well done. You can also change the location of this streak after dragging and swiping it to the upper or down side. Okay, and don't forget that you can also delay the streak after tapping and dragging it on the trash bar, this way. But I want to stay it here. And well done guys, I hope that this tutorial definitely is interesting and useful. Don't forget about like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials and tricks about the Snapchat app and other applications. Goodbye! Bye bye!